Boost productivity. Notion Task Manager for busy professionals. Problem: too many tasks, scattered notes, no clear priorities, daily stress. Solution: a focused, minimalist Notion Task Manager template. See daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, use priority tags, and automate recurring items. Drowning in tasks? Sticky notes everywhere? Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to build or copy a clean, powerful Notion Task Manager to track your daily, weekly, and monthly work, and stay focused on what really matters. Why task overwhelm happens. Too many apps? Scattered info? Mixing big projects and small reminders. Confusion? No system to prioritize. Burnout. Daily, weekly, and monthly views in Notion. Use database views and filters. Daily, top 3 focus tasks and quick notes. Weekly, big picture planning. Monthly, deadlines and long-term goals. Visual demo, switching between filtered views, using priorities and filters. Add priority tags, high, medium, low. Filter today's view to see only high priority. Use color coding to highlight urgent tasks, automate recurring tasks. Duplicate templates for daily, weekly review. Use Notion template buttons for quick resets. Tips for habit tasks, like weekly finance check. Download my Task Manager template. Want to skip the setup? Download my ready-made Notion Task Manager. Daily, weekly, and monthly views, priorities, filters, and recurring task templates, all linked. Link is in the description. Recap, simplify tasks, regain focus. Invite to subscribe and comment your biggest productivity struggle. Tease next video. Next, we'll build a Notion content calendar for social media.